if f of x is given here, what is the slope of tangent line to the curve f inverse of x at x equal -2? The slope of the tangent to this curve is the derivative of this inverse function, right? So this function prime is equal to, the formula is 1 over f prime of f inverse x. And we need to find this derivative at x equal -2, right? So substitute -2 for x. Now what we have to do is we have to find this value, f inverse of -2. This is the value of x when y is -2, right? Because it's inverse. X and y are interchanged. So when y, this function value is -2, we have -2 is equal to x to the 5 plus 2x 3 minus 5. Then 0 is equal to x to the 5 plus 2x cubed minus 3. And now using trial and error method, if we substitute 1 for x, then that's going to be equal to 0, right? 1 plus 2 minus 3, that is equal to 0. So we know that x is equal to 1. So f inverse of -2, when y is -2, the value of x is equal to 1. All of this value is equal to 1. So this is equal to 1 over f prime of 1. So far so good. So we have to find the derivative of f, right? So f prime of x is equal to 5x to the 4 plus 6x squared. So f prime of 1 is equal to 5 times 1 to the 4 plus 6 times 1 squared, which is equal to 11. So this value right here is equal to 1 over 11, right? And that's our answer.